back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the last update for the Makeup Addiction Prescription Project pan that I'm doing with a bunch of awesome ladies here on YouTube. You can check out the list down below of the other girls who are participating in this. Basically, it's a project pan where we chose 4 to 6 items in our makeup collection that we feel we have too much of, and as most of us will probably agree, that's pretty much any category. So this will be the last update before the finale next month. I believe this ends on July 24th, so we have 1 month left, but I have a ton of progress and I do want to show you guys. So let's dive right into it. So I chose 6 products, and the first product that I chose was this highlighter. This is a cream like stick highlighter by the brand Teeny, and this is the Barfly highlighter in the shade Candle Lit. And I am completely done. This is just a little piece of plastic. So I ended up using this on my body. I'm not a huge fan of cream highlighters at all on my face or just in general, so I did end up using this to highlight my collarbones, my shoulders, things like that, and used it completely up. So this is now out of the project. Another product that I chose was this rollerball from Victoria's Secret. This was the Very Sexy perfume. I actually really liked this. I hate rollerballs. I think they're just weird and gross. You can see why in the previous updates. But I did like the scent of this a lot, actually. But the only thing is this really didn't last too long on my skin. It lasted longer than I expected it to on my skin, but not as much as I would want if I did purchase a full size. So I wouldn't buy the full size of this, but I'm just glad it's gone because I have way too much perfume. I will link my perfume collection video up above. Keep in mind, I have since accumulated probably over a dozen more since that video. I will do an updated video soon, but that's not what this video is about. So I just said video way too many times in that whole little spiel. The next product that I chose was a lip liner. I'm actually wearing this underneath my lipstick today. I wear this almost every day and I cannot believe how long it has lasted me. This is the unique, look at this little thing. This is the unique, I don't even know the name of it because it's literally like sharpened right off. It's a little teeny guy. It's still going, so I mean, I'm gonna use it. I love this shade. I have a backup of this, so I do like it. This is in the shade Pouty. It's just their lip liners. When we were at my last update, this was a 1.5 cap lengths tall, and as you can see, if I line it up, it's not even a full cap length anymore. So I am making really good progress on this, and I know for a fact this will be done by next month. The next product that I had was technically in a palette. Long story short, I had chosen an eyeshadow and a palette, and then we moved. So I had packed that palette and had to choose a different product in its place. So this is the replacement. And it was an eyeshadow in a unique palette. And if you can't tell, I'm trying to go through all my unique products. I won't be purchasing from them anymore. So I want to use them up. Anyway, this is in the Moodstruck Addiction Shadow Palette number 1, and this is in the shade Elated. When I started this project, I did not have pan in this at all whatsoever, and I did say in my last update when I did hit baby pan, I wanted to continue using this and just expand it, which I have definitely done. So there's a good amount of pan. It's just a like regular cream color shade that I set my eye primer with. That's what I used it for. That's how I got through it. So I am technically considering this done. I don't think I'm going to be using this for a while. I'm kind of over it. So I'm going to be pulling this out of the project because I feel like my goal has been hit. The next product that I have is another eyeshadow, and this one is from the Christmas in New York by Too Faced palette. And I wanted to originally hit pan. I did that, and then I wanted to expand the pan and use up as much as I could of this shadow right here. This is in the shade Raspberry Rose, and as you can see, it's so close to being done, you guys. I use this almost every day to set my eye primer. See a trend here? But I also use this to brighten up under my brow bone, things like that, and it's borderline needing repressed, which makes me really happy. I'm not 100% sure how much more progress I'm going to get on this. Part of me really wants to just use it up because it's so damn close, and if I repress it, I know it'll go a lot faster. But the other part of me is like, girl, you have so many eyeshadow. Like, look at this. Look at these palettes. Like, seriously. I have enough. I need to get through more, but I don't know. I think I'm going to actually use it up. I think that's my new goal. So my new goal for this is going to be completely use this shadow up and see how far I can get. And last but not least, a product that I honestly am not entirely sure I'm going to be able to finish up. It was kind of a lofty goal, but at the same time, it's just not my color right now. It's not my summer color. So this is by Ulta Beauty, and this is the Color Rush lip gloss in the shade Olivia. It's a deluxe size sample, but I did pull the stopper out way before I should have. The wand or the stopper on this was a very stiff stopper, so when I did pull it out when it was still intact, there was like nothing on the brush, and I felt like I was just sticking my applicator all over my lipstick and smearing it and everything. So I took the stopper out, but then it got insanely messy. And this is a very high pigment gloss. It's just not a color that I use in the summertime usually, so it's really hard for me to wear. It's a great gloss, but it's very opaque. So anyway, after all that, ignore the first line because it was in a previous project. When we started this, I was right here. All of these lines are with the stopper out, by the way. So started here. First update we were here, last update we were here, and now it's kind of hard to see, but I'm actually down to about, come on camera, down to about here. I don't think I'm going to be able to finish this by the next update unless I wear it every single day, and it's just not going to happen. So my goal on this is literally just to kind of use it. So you guys, that's it for this update on the Makeup Addiction Prescription Project Pan. Like I said, I will link all the other girls down below that are part of this project, and I hope you guys go check them out. If you are coming over here from their channels, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know down below what you are panning if you are in a project pan right now. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.